Yeah, that's an outlet. It's covered. It's really not a toy. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm glad those are covered. You sure do crawl with gusto, kiddo. Slap that floor. Tell it who's boss. Yay! You done? Good job. I love you. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Robbie. Happy New Year.